Been deers on the property a lot lately over here, you guys. Here's a deer right here, and the dogs are literally barking at it. Oh no, they sometimes play with the deer. Sometimes the deer does what the donkey does. And it's really a beautiful deer. I don't know if it's the same deer that came over yesterday or the day before, but it's really pretty. I'm trying to go closer to it. Hi. Hi, deer. Probably more scared of me than the dogs. Oh, it's coming towards me. Hopefully it won't mess with the dogs. It's really pretty. Guys, be nice to the deer. Be nice to the deer. Hi, pretty deer. Hi, beautiful deer. Running away. You guys be nice to the deer. It's a beautiful deer. It's really pretty. You're beautiful. Like wants to make friends with the dogs. Try to zoom in more. Guys, be nice. It's just trying to eat. Hi, pretty deer. See if I can get closer to it. I'll probably end up scaring it away. Hi. Yeah, it ran off. I knew it was going to do that. Look, it's sleeping. You're pretty. You're a beautiful deer.